Okay friends, I am back and I'm going to show you how I make potato pancakes because that's what we're having for dinner. So I've got a couple of my cups of leftover mashed potatoes that I had last night, and I usually put my leftovers in the freezer because it works nice when you just want to take them out and heat them up for a meal. But I saved 2 cups out so that I could make my potato pancakes. So with that I got about, I got a small onion and I got about 1/4 of it cut up here. So I diced it real fine. You certainly don't have to have that, but that's what I like. And then I'm going to put a couple eggs in here because I don't like mine falling apart, and the eggs definitely bind it all together. Besides, that's what my grandmother did. So, flour. I'm going to put just about 1/4 cup of flour in there. Okay? I'm going to put some of my house seasoning in here. And it's got garlic, salt, and pepper. Put that in there. And I'm just going to mix this all up. And you don't want them runny. And if your batter gets a little runny, just add a little more flour to it. But these will turn out good. My husband loves them with sour cream. Makes an easy, quick meal. Okay. I think I've got that mixed up pretty darn good. And I think I'm going to need a little more flour in there. It just depends on your potatoes, because sometimes they got a lot of moisture left in them. And I want kind of a nice stiff batter. Okay, that'll give me a nice dollop. That's pretty good. All right. I'm going to go and get my pan all ready and heat it up to fry these, and I'll be back and show you how I do that. Hey friends, I'm back and we're ready to put, our oil is hot, and I got just a little dot of olive oil in there. You'll hear that. I'm going to put them in there and spread them out just a little bit. And there we are. I don't have to put any salt and pepper on them or anything like that because I got the seasoning all inside of them. So they'll cook just like that for a few minutes, and then when I get ready to flip them, I'll bring you back. I believe they're ready to be flipped. Nice and golden. Wow, that was funny. Okay, there we go. We'll get them. There we go. I like to flatten them down just a little bit more. That way they'll be nice and crispy on the edges. There we go. Now I'm going to leave those just like that for a few minutes. And when those are ready to flip again, I'll be back. Okay, friends, we're going to see how these look on the other side now. Really good and crispy. And I believe I'd call them pretty much done. So I'm going to take them out of there. I'm going to put them on this little plate that I have with a little bit of paper towel. just to soak up a little bit of the oil. I'm going to set them there. And I'm going to get my other ones in there. Oh, I don't want to pound on that. Oh, well. Okay, so I'm going to let those cook, and when they're all done, I'll bring you back and show you how they look. Friends, I am back, and these are all done, and I'll show you how I usually serve these. See, and they stay together. They're pretty sturdy. Okay, now my husband loves this. The little dollop of sour cream on the top. A little more than that because he likes the sour cream. Then I put just a little bit of parsley on that sour cream. Or you can do chives, or you can do pretty much anything, you know, anything you want. But there you have it. Those are easy, quick, and they're delicious. So, we're going to go enjoy dinner. And you, thanks for watching.